Hey there! Looking to seamlessly switch between your Call of Duty mobile accounts on your iPhone? You're in luck! I've got a simple solution to show you. Let's jump right in without wasting any more time. To start, open up Call of Duty on your iPhone. Then, locate and tap on the gear icon positioned at the upper left corner of your screen to access the settings. Next up, within the settings menu, tap on Legal and Privacy from the left-hand side. Now, look to the lower right corner of the screen where you'll spot the Logout button. Tap on that button and when prompted, hit OK to confirm logging out. After that, you'll find yourself on the login screen. Now, simply sign in with your other account details. And voila, you're all set. If you ever need to switch back to another account, just repeat these steps. And there you have it. That's how effortlessly you can switch between Call of Duty accounts right from your iPhone. Easy, right? Now, if the video helped you out, smash that like button. Want more COD mobile-related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.